Hello everybody, my name is Ivan Filho, and today I'll be showing you how you can contribute to the TomEE website. So this is the website. You have a few sections here. We're gonna today touch the community section. So this is the part we're gonna change. I feel that this description is a bit confusing. So we're gonna try to make it clear. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is go to the TomEE site generator GitHub. So this is the link. I'm gonna add it to the website in my PR. So you go here, you fork the repo. So we need to wait a little bit until it forks. Okay, now we have the fork in my GitHub. So the next step will be clone it. So here I have my address, the project address. So I'll go to my open source folder here and I'm gonna do a git clone. This should download the TomEE site generator. So I'll go to the TomEE site generator, and then I'm gonna create a branch. So to be able to push my changes later, I'm gonna create a branch. So here I'm doing git checkout -b. Then the branch name, website improvement. Okay, we switch it to the branch. Now we're gonna open IntelliJ here. I'm using IntelliJ, but you can choose to use Eclipse or whatever IDE you want to use. So IntelliJ is opening. Great. We just need to wait a little bit. So here we have the project, the source code, and then this is the project structure. So here are a few Java classes that we're gonna need, especially the JBake one, and also we have the content folder, which has all the documentation, all the content from our website. So basically what JBake does is that it transforms these ADOC files into HTML files. So based on these templates here, where we have like the menu, the footer, the header, the index, the page layout. So based on the templates, we'll have the content generated by JBake. So what we're gonna do now is that we're gonna run the project so you can see. So if you want to see the website running in your local machine, you just need to run jbake.java. So you go here, run jbake. It will start creating all the HTML files. So here you can see it's creating on target site TMP, and then as you can see, you have like all the processing being done here. So all the pages are being created. This is a small issue that we need to fix, but all the pages are being created here. So okay, so we have the website running. We just need to get this URL, open it, and we should be able to have the site structure working in our local machine. So if I go here to the documentation, I'm able to see everything just fine. So we're interested in this part of the website, so we're going to be focusing on this. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to do the change for this. So basically I have the change already here written, so I'm going to copy paste. Let's go to the community folder, index, adhoc. Here we have a very simple way of changing the documentation. We don't need to handle HTML or anything like that, or CSS. We just need to add a new description here. That's what I did. And doing this, we're not going to be able to see this here until we type R and then enter. So as soon as we press enter, JBake will start rebuilding everything. So all the pages will be generated again, and we're going to be able to check out our change. So as you can see here, we have the change. It looks a bit better now, a bit more clear. So it's very easy to be, to do it. There is one detail when you make a change. So if you go like for the documentation section, you'll have like a download as PDF link, and if I click here now, it shouldn't work. And the reason it's not working is that we're using jbake.java, which is just for development. So for development, we're not generating the PDFs. If you want the PDFs to be generated, just to see if they work, you're gonna need to do what's written here. So here you have like the nvn compile jbake http true. If you do this, you'll have the server running in your local, and you'll also have all the PDFs generated, so you can check out and see if they're okay. Okay, so now we have our change. We know how to generate the PDFs, and now what we're going to do is that we're going to send our change to so everybody can evaluate. So the next step will be going to the Jira, TomEE Jira project. So in the Jira, we're gonna have to log in. Gonna do it. If you don't have an account, then you need to create one. And now we're gonna create a new ticket. So every change we do needs to be tied to a ticket. I'm gonna add it as an improvement. I'm gonna add a title that makes sense for my change. So the title will be "Improve Community, Contribute to this website description." I'm gonna explain what I did. So I'm gonna actually put a priority trivial for this one, and then I'm gonna add the description. So this change will improve community description on how to contribute to the website, and I am going to create a ticket. So ticket is created right here. After creating the ticket, I need to send my change. So what I'm gonna do is that I have my change over here. So if I do this, there will be one file changed. So I'm gonna do git commit -am, and then improvement on community section. Okay, so this is my change. I'm going to do a push to my fork. So I'll do a git push origin and then website improvement. Okay, so now we have the change in my fork. So if we go there, we're going to see that now we can do a pull request based on the change. So right here, I need to add the ticket number. So I'm going to add the ticket number. And also I'm going to add the title right here. Okay, so doing that, I just need to create the pull request, and we should be done. So a good practice every time you do a pull request, a good practice is to go to the dev list and ask for committers to review it. So you can find the dev email, the dev list subscription right here in the community section, support page. You'll see the dev mailing list. So here you can subscribe and send the email so everybody can check it out. So I think that's it. I hope you enjoyed it, and thank you.